In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Asana. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to Asana or a seasoned user managing a growing team, these steps will guide you through inviting a new member seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you'll be transported to your Asana homepage. From this point, everything you need is right at your fingertips. So, let's get started. First up, you'll want to locate the plus icon, which you can think of as your gateway to creating and managing team operations. By clicking on this plus icon, you'll see an invite option pop up. This feature is what gives you the power to bring new members into your team. Once you've clicked Invite, you'll have the opportunity to enter the email address of the team member you wish to add. It's that simple. To ensure that the new user's experience is as smooth as possible, it's helpful to associate them with a specific project right from the start. Select the relevant project from the list, ensuring that the new team member will have direct access to everything they need to get started and contribute efficiently. When you're ready, just go ahead and click Send to dispatch the invitation. But wait, there's more! If for some reason you can't find the plus icon, or maybe you just prefer another approach, there's an alternative method you can use. Look towards the bottom left corner of the page and you'll find the option to invite teammates. Clicking here will prompt you through the same process. Again, you'll enter the email address, choose a project, and then hit Send. And for those of you who want more detailed control, there's another option. Navigate to a specific project by clicking on it. Within the project, you're going to find a Details button. Clicking this will allow you to explore even more options. Here, you'll come across an assignee field where you can invite teammates via email. Enter the email and you'll complete the process by clicking on Send Invitation. Remember, each of these methods is designed to integrate seamlessly into your workflow, allowing you to expand your team efficiently no matter the method you choose. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to inviting users to Asana. Implement these steps, and you'll have new team members onboarded with ease and confidence. With your team now ready to collaborate, you can dive into your projects with the efficiency that Asana is known for. Thanks for tuning in, and have a productive day.